you guys, it is almost Christmas, which means it's almost the end of December and a new year is right around the corner. So I thought this was a perfect time to share my winter morning routine, and really more than that, even just my New Year's resolution morning routine. And number one for me is being a better morning person. We have been so crazy busy, late nights, like insanity, and it makes it really hard to get up early in the morning, but it is my number one goal. So I know this probably isn't that early for some people, but I've been really working on getting up by 7 and starting my day. And it helps to have just like a jolly bed to get up in first thing in the morning. So this is all the cute Christmas bedding I got at the end of the year last year. And I just love it so much. I mean, January 1, it's gonna have to go, but it's adorable for now. So first thing in the morning, I always drink a lot of water. I know it's kind of weird, but I hate cold water. So I keep this giant jug in my room overnight so that it becomes room temperature by the time I wake up and I can drink a bunch of it. For those of you that have watched my other routines or you've watched my hypothyroidism vlogs, you know I have hypothyroidism, so I take medication every morning. Right now I'm just taking one pill that's like a nature throid. It's more like bioidentical, so it's be better for your body. It's just harder to find the right balance, but we're working on it. I love a little multitasking, so I make sure to brush my teeth first thing in the morning, roll out, and it feels so good just with that little jade roller. So part of my New Year's resolutions and becoming just a better morning person is to spend more time in the morning reading and setting intentions and just kind of getting caught up and doing something that makes me happy. Because if you wake up in the morning, you like go straight into something you hate, like rushing to get out the door to work, it can make it really hard. So while I have to make more of an effort to have that extra time, I've been feeling so much better doing it. And look how cute my little Christmas house is. So fun. I'm trying to figure out how I can keep like the same level of decor but not Christmassy in the new year, because it just makes my heart so happy every day. So in the morning, I'll spend that time reading with my coffee, but I've been switching up my coffee routine lately, especially with the new year, with these longer days, working even harder. And instead of drinking coffee every single day, I've been switching to matcha. So matcha, if you guys haven't tried it, is so good. I used to drink it in the afternoons because it just makes you like have that little burst of energy without having the jitters from really intense caffeine. But I've been switching to doing it early in the morning and then having coffee later in the day, because I feel like it helps me like ease into my day better. It doesn't just like hit you with caffeine like coffee would. So this is from the Matcha Reserve. This matcha is so good, you guys. It's super high quality. They come from Japanese farms that are certified organic, so you know it's really clean and really small batches. But when you're buying matcha, it's really important to make sure you look for ones that are ceremonial grade if you're gonna be drinking it as like a latte or with water. Because otherwise, if you get ones that are just not ceremonial grade, they're for baking and stuff, which can be fine, but they're gonna be way too bitter if you're trying to drink them just straight without adding like honey or sugar, which you don't wanna do, obviously. And I love these little bamboo stirrers. I use them with my coffee now too, but look how awesome it is. It just mixes all the powder in so well. And the cool thing with matcha is you can use it for more than just drinking. Like I said, you can use it baking, but I do it a lot in smoothies and then in like a chia seed pudding, which we have a really awesome recipe on the blog. I'll link down below for you guys with coconut milk and the matcha, and it is amazing. So check it out. You're gonna get way more antioxidants. You're not gonna get the jitters. It's really good for your immunity and a metabolism. And especially for you girls with hypo like me, it's gonna be a lot easier on your body than straight coffee. So I cozy up with my matcha and my book. I've been doing a morning devotional every day to just really help like reignite my heart and inspire me and get me ready for the new year, just wrapping up this year. And it's been really, really good for me mentally. I feel like I've just been performing better throughout the day. So take that time every day. And then I set my intentions and my goals. So I'll do my LSF Made It Monday, figure out, like I call it my weekly why, like what's my purpose, what's driving me each week. So I've been doing that a lot. And I know this sounds so weird, but I also spend time in the morning catching up on text messages because we've been so crazy. I'm the worst. So all my friends, I'm sorry. I usually will catch up in bursts and then I'll like disappear for the rest of the day. But it's nice to get that done first thing in the morning. I really love like the diction where you can just talk to it, because then I don't have to type a bunch. And after I have my cozy morning, it's time to work out. Normally I'm in the studio, but it is packed with presents and all sorts of things right now. So sometimes in my room, But I've decided to do my workout out here by the fireplace. You have the bar behind me, keeps me motivated. And oh, what's that? Huh, you guys will just have to wait and see. But I'll get my sweat on, little LSF workouts starting. And the thing I love about our workouts, you guys, is that you can just do them anywhere. Like I have my weights, I have my booty bands, and it doesn't matter where I am. All I need is like a tiny bit of space, whether you're in an apartment, a dorm room, wherever. As long as your body can fit there, you can get your workout in. And that's really nice and convenient. So like there's literally no excuses for anyone. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, can't wait to share what this is. It's gonna be so major. All right, so these pants are super cute from Victoria's Secret. They've been coming out with the best sports stuff. If you guys haven't seen it, you probably did in like the Summer Shape Up series and some in our Slay the Holiday, but I just love their stuff. And then a little LSF gear, cuteness. All right, so after my workout, which only like takes 20 or 30 minutes, which I absolutely just think is the best because most people don't have much more time than that in a day if they can even find 20 to 30 minutes. So you can get those 20, 30 minutes done, crush it, burn a bunch of calories, and feel really good about starting your day. All right, so then it's time for what Ryan calls my little mushroom hat. It's basically just my shower cap because I still only wash my hair like once a week or so, and I want to try to keep it nice even after sweating. So I'll keep the shower cap on, shower, and then I usually just blow dry around the edges to make sure that I can like have my hair looking decent, not sweaty and gross after. I've been loving this Moroccan oil. It's like a serum for your body. You guys know my skin is the driest in the world, and this really feels so nice, but it's not like greasy like oil. And then I use my little rose water spray. I've been loving this fresh moisturizer too. It's the black tea one. It smells really, really nice, and it just has like the perfect texture for my dry skin without being too heavy. Just kind of press that in. A little extra moisturizer on my hands and elbows. All those are like very dry spots. And I still can't help but self-tanning all the time, but it definitely makes it drier in the winter, so I need like even more moisturizer. Little perfume, and then getting dressed for my day. So I've been using this, I think it's Schmid's just natural deodorant, which I actually really, really like. Ryan once in a while will have to tell me that I'm smelling ripe. That's what he says. It's so weird. Then I'll have to rinse it off, but it works pretty well. And then hair recovery, so a little bit of balm just to get rid of any flyaways and give it a little bit of shape after being up working out. And that's the L'Oreal Mystic Oil that I've used forever. So I just rub it in my hands to get it a little bit warm so it absorbs better into my hair, getting it into the ends there. Okay, then I'm doing some like extremely last minute couple of things I need to run out for Christmas shopping for my day. And look how cute these boots are. Okay, so I got these when we went to Aspen for the first time like 2 years ago. They're Uggs, and I love them. They're so cute. I feel like they're like stylish, but they also are really great if you're in the snow, even with the wedge. I mean, maybe not like aggressive snow, but just like walking around and shopping. And even though it's still probably like 65 degrees out here, this is California, I really want to feel like we're in a winter wonderland. So bundling up for the day to head out, get the rest of my shopping done, and getting ready for our refresh in 21. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna start with a free 5-day detox on the 2nd to kick off our new year and start new habits and routines together. So check out the link below, get signed up for free, and I'll see you guys then.